Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so topic is ano ba yung itinatago niya sa'yo? O, diba? Oo. So, nakakatakot, no? I-reading yung mga ganito. So, gawin na lang natin tong pampalipas oras, no? Oo. Anyway. Okay. So, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, opo, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items for protection, okay, meron tayong bracelet, meron tayong ring, dalawa yung bracelet natin, isang adjustable, isang garterized. Okay, so ito yung isa, yung garterized. So, parehong unisex yung ating bracelet po, ha. So, meron din tayong necklace, okay, na protection from evil eye. Okay, and love bracelet. So, we have here the love bracelet for singles and may mga conflict sa mga connect, karelasyon. And yes, yung ating granter necklace. So, ito si granter. So, pakita ko lang. Ito siya. Okay, so, front and back pareho lang. Okay, meron siyang parang glass. So, it's like, acrylic. Okay? So, and yung ating bago, for cord cutting, yung ating, yung ating pang cord cut. O, diba? So, wala ka nang gagawin, wala ka nang part na gagawin sa cord cutting. You have to, itago itong ganito. Okay? Kung magpapa-cord cut ka. Okay, so, kung may iba pang tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yes, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page for more info. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? So, yun lang. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can check your other placements po, ha, yung sun, moon, rising, and your Venus and their north node. Okay, kung alam niyo. So again, ano ba yung itinatago niya sa iyo? Okay, so let's start with Aries. Ano ba yung itinatago niya? Okay, think of your person, syempre. Ano bang itinatago niya sa iyo, Aries? Okay. Anong tinatago niya sa'yo? Page of Wands, Universe. What's that? Ten of Cups. Huy. Some of them, meron pa rin sabihin natin, kumukuha pa rin sila ng opinion sa nanay tatay niya, sa mga kapatid niya. May mga ganun. And merong ibang merong ibang sabihin nating side hustle, no, na sinusuportahan ng kanyang pamilya. Okay po. Okay. Some of you, kung bago to, okay, at nakikipaglandian sa'yo, yung iba sa kanila, may kakonect na. Okay, may family pa na involved yung iba sa kanila. Fire sign, water sign. Okay? Ang daming page. Some of you, iba't iba pa ang kakonect ng taong to. Kung bago mo pa lang itong nakikilala. Okay po. So there. Next. Hapyaw lang. Hapyaw lang na energy. So, Taurus, ano bang itinatago ng kakonect mo ngayon? Anong tinatago niya sa'yo, Taurus? Okay, the Three of Swords in reverse. Kunin ko to. The Two of Cups in reverse. The Sun in reverse. Some of them, hindi na sila masaya sa kung anong meron kayo. Mapapansin mo, detached to. Mapapansin mo, hot and cold siya. Emotionally, may pagdistansya na pong nangyayari. Opo. Okay? Kung kakonect mo nga, the High Priestess. Itinatago lang niyo yun. Itinatago niya. Some of you, this is so specific. Kung merong bumabalik sa'yo ngayon, Taurus, next mo. Okay? Gusto lang nilang mag-move on. Okay? Hindi yan bumabalik sa'yo para makipagrelasyon ng talagang talaga. Gusto lang nilang mag-move on ng madali. Yeah. Yun ang intention nila, maka-move on ng mas madali. Okay? Yeah. So, yun. Air sign and water sign. Okay. Hanggat maaari, isang energy lang, sasabihin ko. Isa lang. No? Oo. Ayaw natin. Gemini. Okay. Gemini placements. Ano ba ang tinatago sa'yo? Nung kakonect mo? Okay. Anong tinatago niya sa'yo, Gemini? Anong itinatago niya sa'yo? The Six of Wands in reversed. Some of them, they're jealous. Yeah, the Queen of Cups. This person loves you. Some of them, kung itong taong ito is parang lagi na lang galit, lagi na lang nangungontrol, okay, lagi na lang nagseselo, nandun yung love. Okay, nandun yung love ka ng taong to. Para kasing nagagalit siya kasi gusto niya kanya ka lang. Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Cups. This person loves you. Okay? So, wag mong iisipin na galit na naman tong taong to. Hindi ko malaman kung bakit. Yeah, they just love you. Yeah. Genuinely. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Cups in reverse. Ayaw nito na may mawawala, may masasayang. Yeah, I don't know. So, maybe they don't trust you. Okay? They don't trust you. What's with the Six of Wands in reverse? The Chariot. Yeah. Para silang may doubt. Okay? Para silang may doubt. So, makikita mo, napaka-moody ng taong to. Yeah, because of the love na meron sila pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng fire, water, Cancer yan. Next, Cancer. Okay, so Cancer, ano ang tinatago ng kakonect mo sa'yo? Anong tinatago niya? Hanggat maaari, isa lang na energy. Oo, hanggat maaari. So, tingnan natin. Anong tinatago niya sa'yo, Cancer? The Hermit. Talagang tagong-tago Okay, what's that? The Nine of Wands. They don't trust you. Tinatago nila na hindi ka nila kayang pagkatiwalaan. Okay? They're just playing it cool. Yeah. Some of them, the Nine of Wands. Tingnan natin ano itong meron dito. Some of them, Cancer, they're just playing cool. Some of them, okay, parang wala silang ginagawang mali. Pero, yeah, some of them talagang binabasag nila kung anong meron. Something like, andun yung energy na patay mali siya, kunyari. Anyway, yeah, the Page of Cups. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Yeah. Kung kakonect mo to, they're still connecting or sabihin nating nakikipag-flirt kung kani-kanino. I'm sorry. Bakit kasi ito yung reading? Uburahin ko to. Yeah. The Lovers in reverse. Yeah. Some of them nakakakuha sila ng attention from other people and I think tinatago nila yun sa'yo kasi alam nila na ayaw mo nun. Okay, some of them, they're still talking with their past person, their ex. Still. I'm sorry. Okay? Kasi pwedeng ang pinanghuhugutan ng tong taong to is pwedeng, hindi ko rin naman kaya magtiwala kay Cancer Pero, so, yeah. Parang ganun. Diba? Napaka immature. Okay, anyway. So, next. Leo. Ano ang tinatago sa'yo? Diba? King of Cups. Tanong natin, ang tinatago sa'yo, the King of Cups. Their emotion. Okay. Anong meron dyan sa King of Cups? The Five of Wands. They want to pursue you. Some of you, wala pa kayong connection like romantic connection ng taong to. They want to pursue you. They love you. Yeah, they love you. They want to pursue you. Okay, they want to take action. Okay. Kung sino man to. Anong meron dito sa King of Cups? Para malaman mo na siya to. Anong meron dyan sa King of Cups? Strength. They're holding back their emotion. Pwedeng ikaw din, Leo, nag-hold back ka sa emotion mo sa kanya. Kung sino man to. Okay? Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords. Some of you, meron kayong communication sa ngayon or sabihin nating wanting a new beginning. Some of you, this is like an energy from your past. Yeah, the Justice in the reverse. Merong something na pwedeng nangyaring issue sa past ninyo. Still, itong taong to, nandun pa rin yung love pagdating sa'yo. Okay, they're just so dramatic. Dramatic. Kung ito yung ex mo, napaka-drama lang niya. Okay? Andun yung parang aawayin ka or something like that. Like, yeah, a lot of drama. Okay, so they're holding back their emotion, their love for you. Yeah. This person talaga gusto na magkaroon ng ulit or sabihin natin a new beginning with you. Okay, Leo. Yeah, pwedeng fellow Leo, fire and water. Virgo. Hi, Virgo. Okay, let's see. Anong tinatago sa'yo ng kakonek mo? Anong tinatago sa'yo ng kakonek mo, Virgo? Anyway, ang dami magagalit, no? Lalo na yung hindi maganda yung read. Oo, maganda sana kung emosyon yung tinatago no? Yeah. Okay. It's up to you kung gusto mong panoodin. Virgo! Let's see, ano bang tinatago ng kakonek mo sa'yo? The Seven of Cups. Their option is open. Yeah, they have open option. Okay? They have, sabihin natin, pagpili. Okay? What's with that Seven of Cups? The Nine of Pentacles, they're a non-committal. Yes, they're non-committal. My rules. Parang ganun Ego. Some of them, they're too materialistic. They're materialistic. The Tower. Pwedeng alam mo yun. Pwedeng alam mo na yun. Pero, yeah, this person is sabihin nating self-centered. Hindi ka papakinggan ito, Virgo. Yeah. Hindi ka papakinggan ito. Some of them, talagang may mga options. Some of them, they're attractive. Mapalalaki, mapababae ko naman ang gender. They're attractive, so now, maraming umaali-aligid sa kanila. Yes! Okay. Anyway. Yeah, see? They're getting a lot of attention from other people. Aside sa'yo, Virgo, if ever. So, we have here water and earth sign. Okay? Next, Libra. Libra. So, ano ba ang itinatago ng taong to sa'yo, Libra? Kung sino man yung iniisip mo, kakonek mo. Ano ang itinatago niya sa'yo, Libra? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Why? Temperance. Oh! They're being impatient. They're being impatient. Okay, kung anong meron dito, I don't know. Naging impatient na tong taong to. Maybe they're expecting, they're waiting for you. Now, it's like, okay, bahala ka dyan, Libra, pero yung pag-alis niya, nakatingin pa rin sa'yo. It's like ganito, ganyan yung emotion, ganyan yung action niya. Nilayo. Yeah, they're being impatient. Okay. What are they expecting? The King of Pentacles, some of you, pwedeng Sag, pwedeng Capricorn. Okay? So, ay, nakabuhay. Okay, ano tong Seven of Pentacles? Ano ba hinihintay niya? Hinihintay ka niya. Okay? So, isa yun. Pwedeng hinihintay ka niya. Kung ano man to, I don't know. Four of Pentacles. This person is holding back. They're holding back. Wala naman silang ginagawa eh. Ang lakas ng earth sign dito, Libra. They're just waiting, sitting. Okay? Sitting, waiting. Kung ang tingin mo sa taong tong walang pakialam sa'yo, Libra, may pakialam itong taong to sa'yo. They're waiting. Hindi ko alam kung hinihintay Okay? Hindi ko alam. Ano hinihintay? Tanong natin. Anong hinihintay sa'yo nito, Libra? Super waiting, oh. Super duper waiting. Oo, let's see. Na mapansin mo na magkaroon ng connection, ito yung hinihintay nila. Some of you, Libra, itong taong to is naghihintay ng ending sa part mo or sa part niya. Okay? Some of you kasi, yeah, there's this third party or something. Pwedeng, yeah. Ang hinihintay lang nito is makita ka, magkaroon ng connection with you. Pero para siyang hopeless na. Okay? They're being impatient. Okay? They're being impatient. Okay? Sagittarius, Earth, Fire. Yeah. Okay. Iba sa inyo, hindi kayo nag-uusap nito eh. Okay? Next. Scorpio. Scorpio, ano ba ang itinatago ng kakonek mo sa'yo? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Scorpio, ano ba ang itinatago, ng iyong kakonek sa'yo? Ten of Cups in reverse. Why? The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Kung dinrap mo to, okay, some of you dinrap mo to, they're so sad. Okay? Now they're regretting kung ano man ang mga nangyari sa past. Okay? Some of them, kung kakonek mo to, tinatago ng taong to na ayaw ka ng pamilya niya. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng topic. Yes. Ayaw ka daw niyang pamilya niya. Scorpio. Some of them, may chance rin na pwedeng itinatago na meron siyang family. Yeah. Yeah, the Queen of Wands in reverse. They're hiding it from you. Like, ikaw yung kanyang third party. I'm sorry. Okay? Decision mo naman kung manood ka nito or hindi, diba? Okay? I'm just reading the energies. Anyway, so we have here water and earth. Next, Sagittarius. Ano ang tinatago sa'yo nung kakonek mo? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sag siya nung tinatago ng kakonek mo sa'yo. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. That they like you. Yeah, they like you. They want commitments. The King of Swords, they're afraid of the commitment. Yeah, they're afraid. They're not ready. Yeah, the Four of Wands. The Five of Wands is talking about drama. Okay? Andito rin yung sabihin nating may pagsisinungaling. Itong taong to. Sabihin natin kung meron na siyang mga pangako or mga aksyon na kailangan ng gawin and sinasabing ginagawa at ina-aksyon na, wala akong nakikita rito. They're lying. Okay? Some of them, they're just too afraid of the commitments. Takot lang po sila sa commitments. Okay? Kung hindi sila nga gumagawa ng aksyon at nakikita nyo yun, takot po sila. They're not ready. Okay, the Magician. In reverse, they're not ready. They're just manipulating you. So, yeah, there's lies. Some of you, ikaw itong parang iniintindi mo kasi nandun yung love mo for this person. Yeah. Okay, earth sign, aqua, air sign. So, next, Capricorn. Okay, Capricorn. So, ano ba ang tinatago ng kakonek mo ngayon sa'yo? Anong tinatago niya sa'yo? Anong tinatago ng kakonect mo, Capricorn? Pero syempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Anong tinatago ng kakonect mo ngayon sa'yo, Capricorn? The Four of Swords in reverse. The Tower. Some of you have this separation. They want to talk. Okay? Kung may distansya na nangyari sa inyong dalawa, they want to talk. Pero they don't know how to reach you out. They don't know how to act. Okay? Some of them, they're trying to avoid you. Na-intimidate sila. Kung sino man to. Okay? Some of them, they're dropping you. Kasi nandun yung na-intimidate, nahihiya. I don't know, like, yeah. Okay? Sino ba to? Let's see. Anong meron? Yeah, the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe you dropped this person or maybe they dropped you. Someone younger. Acting avoidant. Acting na wala silang pakialam sa'yo. Pero yes, they like you. They like you. Crush ka. May mga ganong sitwasyon. May mga ganong energies. Pwedeng may age gap kayo. Age difference ng taong to. Okay? They're trying to manifest you. Yeah, they're trying to manifest you. Some of them, they're too afraid. That's why they're trying to avoid you. Feeling intimidated. Itong taong to. Okay? They see you as someone na talagang, yeah, the Page of Swords. They see you as someone na talagang nakakuha ng maraming, sabihin nating, paghanga, no? From other people. Yeah, so maybe they find you attractive. Okay? Naku-curious sa'yo yung person, Capricorn. Yeah, naku-curious sila. Pinapakita nito na wala silang pakialam sa'yo. Like they're ignoring you. Pero, it's not true. You're in their head. You're in their head. Okay? So, there. Pwedeng Scorpio, pwedeng air sign. Next, Aqua. Aquarius placement. Ano ba ang itinatago sa'yo ng kakonect mo? Yung taong iniisip mo. Let's see. Okay. The emotion. Maybe they're trying to hide their emotion. The King of Cups. Yeah, death. Takot sila na ma-reject. Maybe. Takot silang ma-reject. Takot silang ma-ignore. Oo. The ultimate ignorer. The ultimate daw. Oh, mga Aqua. Yeah, this person is in love with you. Yeah, they're in love. Apo. Okay? Yeah, the Emperor. Ay. Some of you, pwedeng boss mo to or someone na pwedeng kasama mo sa trabaho, kaklase mo, something like that. Someone na nagpapakita rin ng, they're grounded. They're, like, sabihin natin, strong. Okay? Pero, para tong parang yung energy niya is like, hard on the outside, soft in the inside. O, diba? Mga ganon. They have emotions. Big emotion. But yeah, they're afraid of the rejection. Okay? They're afraid. They're hiding their true emotion for you. Yeah, the Moon in reverse. The Two of Cups. Some of them, napapanaginipan ka na niya, Aqua. Yes! Lumalabas ka na sa kanyang panaginip. Okay? Anyway, so, Pisces and Scorpio. Next. Pisces. Okay, so Pisces placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, sino naman tong iniisip mo? Nag-iisip ka na agad, ah. Some of you, you're waiting for this person. Okay, some of you might be dealing with a fellow Pisces. Okay, so anong meron? Anong tinatago nitong kakonek mo? Anong tinatago niya sa'yo? Pisces. Oh, the Seven of Swords Universe. Kung ano man to, pwedeng malalaman mo rin, ha? Okay? Pwedeng mahuhuli mo, something like that. May aamin, parang ganyan. Ano tong Seven of Swords Universe? Some of you, ikaw itong may napapansin-pansin na. Ha? You're the Two of Pentacles. Pero you are, sabihin nating isinasawalang bahala. Or, baka hindi yun. Parang ganon. Kung ano man yung iniisip mo. Napaka-specific nito. So, depende sa kung iniisip mo sa kanya, yun yun. Okay? Depende sa kung iniisip mo sa kanya, yun yun. The Six of Pentacles, iba sa inyo, may pagka-ano, ha? Ang tawag dyan. Hindi ko alam ang tawag doon. Gusto naman yan na makipag-ayos sa akin. Ang tawag sa ganun. So, yes. Isa na yon. Tinatago nila yon. Okay? Gusto nila ng new beginning or forgiveness pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Mula sa'yo. They want forgiveness. They want a new beginning maybe or another chance with you. Yes. Okay? Kung kakonect mo to ngayon, they're giving effort, time sa ibang mga bagay-bagay. That is why pwedeng napapansin mo or pwedeng nahuhuli mo na parang wala silang pake. Or sabihin natin being in and out sa energy nyo. Okay? So, there. Pwede may ibang kausap. I'm sorry, pero yeah. So, yun po ang aking reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.